my brother's birthday. We're about to surprise him. He doesn't know he's here right now. We're about to like wet him up. We're not doing flower no more, right?
That's why I asked if you guys want to do flower.
We have to grab the flower quick. Yeah, so we're about to surprise him. And we're gonna like wet him up, flower him, Jamaican style, everything. But like we're trying to hurry up. Look at my dad. Look at him. He just wants to make bear noise. Yeah? What? She wants to go outside. That's why.
Oh,
Nyla.
User.
Hi. Come here, button up. Outside's cold. Come here, button up your jacket. Come. Got Justia. Sagania. So we got the water balloons. Are they rude to take out the good pillowcase? I'm joking. So we got wifey over here. It's actually cold.
It's cold. I told you guys.
Okay, you took so much flour. Why so much flour?
Oh my God, wet and flour. I was actually thinking you guys should flour him, and I should stand up there, and after you guys flour him, drop all the water balloons on his head. Yes.
Yeah, because he's not gonna know no one's up there.
I will literally be right here. I'll stop him right here.
No,
Okay.
he's gonna F up his hair, guys.
Who cares?
Okay, guys, we're taking long. We're taking too
It's a
long.
lifetime thing.
Yeah,
You
we're
can
taking
suck
too
it
long.
up.
I want a balloon though. I want a balloon.
Okay, here.
Yeah, leave some down
Keep
here.
some down here. Keep some down here. But make sure one of you guys have this. Make sure one of you guys have
not gonna be me. I'll do it. I'll do it. Jamaican style, we throw in flour.
Yeah, you don't.
Oh. Ew, is that bird? What is that? It's not bird poop.
I have no idea. No idea, but don't touch it. Okay, I'm gonna stand him right here.
Mike, where's the light? We're sorry in advance, but you deserve this because you think you're too pretty and too nice for this ish. Okay, so yeah, it was my plan to do the flower.
Okay, hold on. No, just stay here. Don't do anything. I'm here. Relax. Why are you putting your hand?
I don't know. And my vagina's on too, so you might pull it gently because I don't want
Hold
you to
on.
pull it too bad.
Gently. Ready?
Wait.
Someone.
You have more. He does not get more. That was so fast.
Happy birthday!
Where is he? Come back! This guy really ran away. Completely missed the whole flower.
I told you the wind was gonna push it.
Okay, that was kind of a fail. Yeah. Guys, it's brisk outside. Brisk. Hey, what are you doing? Blowing it? The funny thing is, Nala's actually scared of birthday cakes.
See?
Oh. I need to get flour on him.
Where's your glasses?
Mike, I have stuff to do at home.
Just do it! Okay, whoa. I know you guys didn't do flowers without cheating.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Nyla. Say hi. So that was fun. That was really needed. I mean, we're kind of like staying far from each other, especially because my brother works in the hospital, Shauna works in the hospital and stuff like that. So we're trying to like social distance as we can. But that little get together was just, it was really fun. But yeah, so everyone's gone right now because my brother's girlfriend planned something for him, so they're gonna have their little time together. It just really sucks because this whole quarantine literally has some of us so separated, and we're so used to being around each other. It's crazy. So like when we link up, it's like, it's just like a whole different vibe. Anyways, so as you guys know, Ziggy's at work. He left midday today. Usually he leaves like early in the morning, but he left like midday today. And we're just here at home. We're gonna have to literally start organizing up for tomorrow because tomorrow's cook day. Today I didn't really do much. Nyla slept for like, I want to say 2 hours. Hi! I think she slept for about 2 hours, if I'm not mistaken. 2.5 hours. And I'm like, yo, I was so happy because Nyla literally, it's so iffy when it comes to her sleep. 1 minute's long and next minute's like 45 minutes. So I was happy that she slept. What are you doing? Say hi. Hi. No breasts. I'm gonna come on here to say something. Okay, so in my last vlog I shared with you guys with the whole like Trishana and Auntie Donna story, and I don't know if you guys are keeping up with it. I usually don't keep up with her stuff, but I have people sending me stuff. They're kind of more updating me on what's been going on because I guess I made a post and I was really trying to reach out to Auntie Donna to help Trishana out, and now I'm seeing that there's this whole mix up that's going on, and I'm just like, bruh, oh my god, this is the thing. Like, people usually complain and say, like, when you're helping someone, or like say for example you're going downtown and you're giving back to people, and you know people contributed to your contribution to give back or donated. This is why people choose to you have some people that choose to video or record for this specific reason, so that people can know where their money is going to, or like where whatever their contribution is going to. This whole mix-up now is just insane. I don't even really want to talk about it, to be honest. Why'd you pull it out your hair? So I mean, I'm seeing a lot of bad comments, like they're literally bashing the girl, and it's really sad. I low-key feel bad, but I mean, there's just so much to it, man. Like, I feel like she just needs help, and I wish that the situation was went about differently. I wish it was went in a way where some stuff wasn't aired out. Yes, what she may have done was not right, but I mean, like, I feel like she's also being influenced by a lot of people around her, because if you know, I mean, if you come from a community where you don't really have it, and all of a sudden people see you getting it and you're getting all these nice stuff, brand new stuff, I mean, they're gonna come and use and abuse you. Like, that's just how it is. I just wish that, again, like I said, I just wish the situation went about differently, and not in a way where the whole internet is bashing this poor girl, because I mean, I can only imagine. I'm not agreeing with what she did, but I just feel like some stuff could have just stayed off the internet. Whether Auntie Donna likes to video her stuff for whatever reason, some stuff could have, you know, been held down, but that's just my point of view. Anyways, enough of me ranting about that, because I don't want to talk too much about that. Ziggy and I actually sent money back home to help some of the older people in our community. We just try to help some of the elder people, which is nice. I'm happy that I can still be able to help. And big up Chevy, I forgot her other friend, and big up Coolie Girl, because they helped as well. So big up your guys' self, and shout out to you guys for always supporting Ziggy and I when we want to do like our give backs and stuff like that. Big up your guys' self. It's not just me and Ziggy, it's us. But yeah, I'm going to, what did I say I was gonna do? I had something to do. But yeah, I guess I'll check back with you guys later. I really doubt I'm doing anything. Oh, I actually got these new glasses. Let me show you guys. So I'm not sure if you guys are aware or not, but I wear glasses. I don't wear glasses now or in my videos because I lost my glasses a while back. And those glasses were expensive, and since then I'm like, you know what? I'm over it. I'm like completely over it. So anyways, I got some glasses from a company called Clearly. These oh my god, this girl almost broke the glasses. These are the glasses that I got from them. Nella literally just touched up the whole frame. Excuse me. Oh my god, I can't even see. They're so blurry. But yeah, this is the frame that I got. These are the type of frames that I like. My last glasses, actually the frame was close to this. And I paid literally over like $700 for them, and I misplaced them. I don't know if I left them in Jamaica. I don't know if I lost them at the airport. Like, I don't know where they are, and it literally breaks my heart because those glasses were my favorite glasses, and I can't find them. But I'm happy because I got glasses back, first of all, and I can see. I bet you guys didn't know I couldn't see. I can't see from far. That's my my problem. I lost my train of thought. What was I gonna say? These are prescriptive, as I said before. I literally just put in my prescription details into the website, you know, and then I got these cute little frames. First of all, you guys can check out the description box down below for the direct link to this website. I really like this website because, one, it has a lot of great styles, a lot of different styles. You can also like upload your face or like a picture of you and try on the glasses to see if you like it. So that's something that I did as well. Very affordable, super affordable, and the shipping as well is very reasonable. I remember I saw my brother's girlfriend, she had glasses on, and I'm like, yo, where'd you get your glasses from? Like, those glasses are so cute. And she's like, I just ordered them online. And I'm like, how much you pay for them? Because like I need glasses, I lost mine, and I refuse to go pay over $700 again. And she's like, yeah, I paid whatever for it. And I'm like, are you kidding me? So really and truly, it's like, when you buy glasses, I mean, you're paying for the brand of the glasses, because I had like a really good brand. Those times I was even thinking like, oh, you can go online and just order like, you know, regular glasses and they still look good. So that's what I did with this. I mean, I wish I knew this back then because I could have saved a lot of money, a lot of money. But I really like these glasses. I love how it fits my face. Again, this is my type of style of glasses. I like the nerdy look. Very comfortable. It's not hurting my ears. I don't, if you're a glasses wearer, then you will know that pain that I'm talking about. You know, like your ears start to hurt you. Yeah, this glasses does not have that, and that's a problem that I've always had. The only thing I wish is that I got the frame a little smaller, because I mean, like, you see how it slides down. That's the only issue that I have with it, but again, like, that's my fault. But the reason why I think I went with medium, if I'm not mistaken. I should have went with small, is because the last time I ordered a small, I feel like it was too small from another website. But nevertheless, these are really cute. I like them. It fits my face really nice. Let me know down below what do you guys think of them. You guys, again, can check out the description box down below for the direct link to this website if you guys are looking for glasses. I mean, if you can save some dollars, especially during times like this, why not? Why not? So with the glasses, I got this little rag thing to clean it. I actually need to clean it because, as you guys just see now, I literally touched up my whole glasses. So I got this little cute little rag to clean it, and it has the company's logo on it. And it also came with this matte, well, I chose matte case to keep the glasses as well. And yeah, I'm actually gonna order another style, another frame, because for some reason every time I get glasses I literally only go for this style. But I'm gonna try something new. I'm gonna try a different style. Yeah, these are so cute. Like, I actually really like them. They're so comfy, and they just... Hi! But anyways, I'm gonna go chill with my nana. My nana? You have cupcake all over your face. So I just want to share with you guys some new products that I got. So I got a new Aztec Secret Indian clay mask. I really like this. You literally can use this all over your body, your hair, everything. Love this, love this, love this. Highly recommend this product. And then I also got this dryer bonnet. I had one before, but there's a hole in it, so I got a new one. This will help me with my deep conditions. That's what I mainly use it for, like my deep conditions. So yeah, if you're in the GTA, I'm actually gonna link where I got this from, because I know it's hard for us right now. It's a struggle right now for us to find products. This I think I paid $9 for. I don't remember how much I paid for this, but it was very reasonable. I think it was a store called Kairoshi or Kai something. I'm gonna link it on the screen because I'm probably butchering the store name, but I know they're switching from in-store to online. So if you're in the GTA, like I said, you guys can definitely check them out because their prices are really affordable and they have a lot of products on there as well, like hair products. Anyways, guys, it is about that time. It's bedtime. I'm trying to look for my my bonnet to put over my head. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I can't find my bonnets, but I'll see you guys in the next vlog.